Hello everybody. Marcus here. Good morning, good Saturday morning, or whenever you're watching this. I'm streaming live right now on Facebook and Instagram, and this will get distributed on YouTube as well. So thank you everybody for tuning in. It's a little rainy out, but I wanted to talk today about how you can win this GoPro that we are giving away, this Hero 7 GoPro. We are giving this away, hopefully, within the next month or so. It depends when the winner comes in. And you can still enter to win this. It's very simple to do. Come into Aroma Time and get one of our red envelopes, our famous no peeking envelopes that is filled inside with a prize. On the outside of the envelope, it says you can win 10, 20, 30%, 50%. There's some $100 gift cards that we are giving away. And the grand prize is the GoPro. So now how this game works is we were giving these away for the last month. We still have a few left. So if you come in the next day or so, 2 days this weekend, maybe Monday or Tuesday, we'll still have a few of these to give out. What you do is you bring this back by the date on here, February 13th. You bring this back by February 13th. The date is written on there. And when you come in, you open it up. We open it up. Our staff opens it up. We tear it open it up because it is sealed. It's double sealed, and you cannot see inside because we made sure you could not see inside. And you open that up and you get a prize. So the minimum, I know it says 10% on the outside here, but the minimum is 20%. We don't give away any 10%. Just so you know, we're generous with every single offer. So we wouldn't want you to feel like you got the worst offer we were giving. So we write down 10, but we really give 20, 30, and more, plus the gift cards, plus the GoPro. Really cool GoPro. A couple years ago, we gave away an iPad through the same exact contest. Or maybe we did a scratch-off. I did a scratch-off ticket where we gave away a iPad. That was a couple years ago. So this is a brand new GoPro. If it doesn't get given away, I might use it myself because I do a lot of filming. Everybody knows I do a lot of video, all kinds of stuff, of 2,000 videos on YouTube. So just stop in, grab one of these. If you have one of these, come in and eat, and after you eat, our staff will open it up and we will reveal your prize. It's the fun game we've been playing for almost a decade now. So it's called our No Peeking, and we gave these out the whole month of December, and we still have a couple left. So if you come in, we will still be handing them out while supplies last. So nobody has gotten the GoPro yet. We've had several people redeem these already because it started January 1st. So Thursday and last time, we've already had a couple people redeem these. Some people got multiple ones because they came in several times. So we hope to see you soon with your no peeking and of course a cool little gift inside. And good luck everybody to the GoPro, the Hero 7. And again, I'm liking this a lot. So if we don't give it away, I won't mind. I don't think Jamie will let me keep it though, because we bought it for this specifically reason. So we'll have to get another reason to give it away. So no peeking. Come on in. A couple other cool things coming up here.